I'm meteorologist Brittany Rainey with your CBS News Dallas-Fort Worth weather update. We are tracking another winter storm, so a first alert weather day has been issued for today. We also have a winter weather advisory for all the counties shaded in purple until 6 p.m. this evening. Once we get past that time frame, the precipitation is going to move out, but then we're going to have very cold air in place. But all of these areas could get some slick spots on bridges and overpasses, mainly on those elevated surfaces as we move through the day. Temperatures, though, are sitting right around freezing to even just below for our northwest areas over towards Graham, Bowie, Bridgeport, and Mineral Wells. Notice mainly east of 35, though. Temperatures are still well above that freezing mark. 35 in Terrell, 37 in Athens, 34 for Waxahachie and Hillsborough, and we are just a degree above freezing at 33 in DFW. So we are getting a wide range of reports of precipitation. So where we see the green typically indicates where we're getting some rain. Where you're seeing the pink, some freezing rain to sleet, and then also purple, sleet, and then the blues typically indicate where we're getting some snow. But we are also seeing some sleet mixing in with the rain, a little bit of freezing rain in some spots, and then a couple of snowflakes are also being reported. So it's very much a mixed bag of what we're seeing, and that's kind of going to be how it is throughout the rest of the day today. But we are looking at this precipitation becoming a bit more widespread as we get into the early afternoon hours, moving through the Metroplex. Still looking at that potential for a cold rain and then some sleet mixing in. Maybe even a rumble of thunder as this heads off towards Sulphur Springs in the Terrell area. And then notice over here about 3 o'clock, we are looking at some brighter snow indications for our northeast areas. So around Paris, this is going to be that moderate snow band where we could get a quick 1 to 2 inches of snow. And then the rain and any of that sleet will continue to work its way off to the east as we get into the evening hours. But temperatures should be just above freezing as well getting into the evening. So we could see another line of some showers moving in before the system finally moves out of the area. As far as potential travel impacts, they're going to be greatest up along the Red River and then off to the west. Sleet and snow accumulations up to a ½ an inch. Notice DFW right on kind of that cutoff. So a little bit further northwest is where we are likely going to see those bridges and overpasses becoming impacted a little bit more. Could get a quick 2 inches of snow up towards the Paris area and along the Red River. But temperatures today around 33 to 35 degrees all day long. Notice those precipitation chances going up around 1 to 3 o'clock. And then from there, we're going to see them tapering off into the evening hours. But it's not just the precipitation. We also have some very strong northerly winds gusting to 45 miles an hour, sustained at 15 to 25 miles an hour. So that's going to make for a cold day. All day today, we're going to feel like the 20s. And then tomorrow morning, the temperatures will be in the 20s, mid to upper 20s in the area. And then we're also looking at some wind chills that are going to be in the teens as we wake up heading into early Saturday morning. So you really need to dig out all of that winter gear by Saturday afternoon, though. Winds are subsiding, that sunshine is back, and we're feeling like the actual air temperature in the mid to upper 50s. We spring forward Saturday night into Sunday morning, wake up to another chilly start Sunday morning, but next week looking really nice. We're going to be back in the 70s.